User-friendly. If you want to get started quickly without much technical know-how, Shopify's straightforward interface is a huge advantage. All-in-one, hosting, security, and customer support are all included, making it easy to manage. Shopify, great for growing businesses, but additional costs may come into play as you scale. 24/7 support offers reliable customer support, which is crucial for beginners or those who prefer not to troubleshoot issues themselves. Choose Shopify if you want ease of use, robust support, and a hassle-free setup. Best for customization, Woocommerce. Flexibility. If you want to tailor your store extensively, Woocommerce allows for deep customization with numerous plugins and themes. Control. You have complete control over your website, which can be a significant advantage for advanced users. Cost-effective. While Woocommerce is free, you'll pay for hosting and possibly some plugins. It can be more budget-friendly in the long run, especially for larger stores. Woocommerce can scale well, especially for those who manage hosting effectively. Choose Woocommerce if you want flexibility, customization, and have some technical skills.